No clothes? In some cultures, paint replaced garments, protection, identity, and law. Watch how meaning lived on skin, beyond fashion, beyond spectacle. It marks who we are and where we belong, carried for ceremony, protection, and story. Tonight, we listen closely together. We'll take a calm, global tour, seeing patterns on skin as a living language, without spectacle, without intrusion. Our lens stays on faces, hands, and movement, patterns in motion, so dignity stays protected and meaning can breathe. From ochres and clays to plant dyes and ash, materials chosen with care, mixed by memory, placed with purpose, patient, beautiful work. Paint can shield, spiritually, socially, even physically, echoing old knowledge of sun, soil, and the unseen. You can almost feel it. It gathers us into circles of belonging, teams, families, lineages, each pattern a quiet signature. This is not mere decoration. It is memory you can wear, a way for place, time, and kinship to appear on skin. In our present day, it moves through festivals, sports, protest, fashion, and healing, old threads woven into new cloth. We film with consent and context, curiosity guided by respect, so the people we meet lead their own stories. As you watch, notice breath, rhythm, and touch, the small rituals where meaning lives. Let it slow you a little. We'll explore meaning, materials, and modern expressions, how patterns travel, adapt, and endure. Stay with us. The journey begins now. Body paint as identity, read with care, seen with wonder. Come along. Next up, origins. Earth. Meaning, belonging. Colors come from land. Ochre, clay, charcoal, plant dyes. Mixed with water or oil, smoothed by hand to cling. They signal age, clan, rank, quiet place in community. They protect too, shielding skin with minerals and oils. And they guard spirit, patterns worn like gentle armor. In performance, colors map roles, journeys, and memory. Each line and dot carries meaning, taught, remembered, renewed. Identity carried on skin. Not spectacle, belonging, signs shared and understood. Roots in place. River clay, red slopes, sun-steeped plants. Hands work carefully, brushes, fingertips, twine, calm geometry. Here, earth meets story, and a community sees itself. To feel why this fits, look outward first. Across the world, paint becomes language, identity, memory, play, shared at home and in public. Careful, communal, calm. In Ethiopia's Omo Valley, clay and ash swirl in bowls, brushed onto faces, marking kinship, season, celebration. Playful and ceremonial. Elders teach, children mirror and learn. Across indigenous Australia, natural ochres map story on skin. Lines and dots follow song and place. Hands grind color, patterns slowly bloom. In India, Thayam and Kathakali turn faces into myth. Colors signal role. Brushes move with ritual focus. A performer studies the mirror as story appears. In Mexico's Dia de los Muertos, Calavera paint honors the dead. Families mix marigold, music, memory. Lines are gentle, intent is love and continuity. Different places, shared meaning. The body as canvas for belonging, story, care. Bring that lens to Spain. Dignity and community, not spectacle. That's what comes next. Community in color. Painted faces mark belonging and joy. A quiet code you read at a glance. In Papua New Guinea, bold pigments, yellow, red, white, shape clan pride, history, and community. In Japan's festivals and cosplay, designs travel playfully, craft turning into identity. Sports fans paint cheeks in team colors. A stadium becomes one chorus. Protesters mark faces with symbols, color carrying a message safely through crowds. Across continents, paint organizes community. Who we are, what we celebrate, what we stand for. Color becomes a gentle language. The tone stays non-sexual, family-friendly. Not spectacle, shared meaning, chosen and worn with respect. Simple norms. Ask first, give space, read the room, keep dignity intact. Ease follows. Different places, same thread, paint as belonging and voice, community organized, values expressed. Midway the bustle softens, a reflective question gathers. Ritual lingers in traces, color on fingers, breath slowing. Water runs, pigments loosen and drift. Laughter remains, easy, unposed. Empty bowls, folded scarves, a sun-warmed bench. Belonging feels like this, gentle, ordinary, shared. Footprints arc toward the river and back. Memories settle where cameras can't reach. When paint fades, what of us remains? And which bonds stay visible only to those who share them? Hold the question softly, let it breathe. Because the festival endures in gestures, not spectacle. In names remembered, hands offered, places kept for one another. Tomorrow, the calm returns, meaning stays. Symbols and respect, how to participate thoughtfully. Use natural, skin-safe pigments, plant or cosmetic grade. Skip industrial paints and aerosols. Patch test first, check allergies, and avoid eyes unless rated safe. Common motifs are simple. Lines, dots, spirals. Light, temporary, friendly. Colors can carry culture-specific meanings. Ask before adopting or combining. Always get consent. Before painting someone, and before close-up photos or videos. Context matters. Celebratory symbols aren't costume props outside their setting. Avoid appropriation. Learn origins. Choose shared public motifs when unsure. Support the culture. Hire or credit local artists. Tip fairly. Buy from community makers. Follow posted guidance. Join with humility. Freedom paired with responsibility. Time-lapse brushwork. Safe face and upper body painting. Colors blooming as serenity grows. Paint becomes a moving canvas, identity evolving as people stretch, dance, breathe together. In plazas and workshops, artists collaborate, honoring motifs while innovating with fresh palettes. Wide choreographed crowds, back angles and silhouettes protect dignity while showing shared freedom. Street performance meets audience, smiles, claps, small gestures bridging both sides. Let moments stay unhurried, the final touch, a nod between friends. History honored, joy alive. Dusk settles, the crowd drifts home. What remains is living language on skin. Colors, lines, symbols carry identity, family, neighborhood, memory. Read them gently, notice patterns, listen first, meet tradition with respect. Across eras, paint sometimes replaced clothing, marking role, law, and belonging without shame. Which meaning surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more on art, culture, and the human body, watch related videos on Nude Art Documentary.